Hi guys, welcome back to Janya's Creations. Guys, I'm all the way in my estate and I came here in search of banyan trees, but there is no banyan trees. Instead, there's arcanut, coconut trees and all. And guys, look, it's a pond. It's very pretty. So I remember when I came here, I remembered an English story from sixth standard. The name of the story is The Banyan Tree, and this story is written by Ruskin Bond. This is a sixth standard English story. So let's get started. So once there lived a boy. He lived with his grandparents. Okay, his grandfather was 65 years old. He owned like a very nice banyan tree and a really nice house. So one day when the boy loved that banyan tree. He always goes there, sits there, especially in the summer days and all. He always used to take cushion from his sofa and he used to read books from like many authors and all. He also had a friend. It's a small squirrel. He used to think that the squirrel was pretty annoying, but it became his friends. But still, it was annoying because it used to take small morsels, which means small pieces of food from him. So yeah, one time it was a very hot day. He was feeling sleepy. He wanted to go and sit near the banyan tree. He was reading books. Out of nowhere, a cobra came from somewhere and a mongoose came from the bushes. They both saw each other and started fighting like crazy. The crow came. He sat on the cactus and wanted to see this fight because it was pretty interesting. It's a classic Indian drama that always happens. The mongoose took the snake's tail and pulled it. The cobra darting his tongue in, out, and bit the mongoose. You know, cobra is very poisonous. So the mongoose kept on getting affected, but it didn't stop. It kept on fighting. It scratched the cobra and the crow came and interrupted in middle. You know, the mongoose took the crow by its leg and flew it across the ground. And then at the end, the mongoose took the snake's tail. It scratched it, pulled the snake's tail and took it away. It took it away to the bushes and started eating it. So yeah, so this was the English story. It is like a classic Indian drama. It always happens in forests, right? The boy was pretty shocked by this. I mean, it's normal, but still, this was the most extreme fights he saw. So yeah, he was also enjoying, but he was also like shocked to see this. So yeah, so this is the English story. This is all for today. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to press like button and subscribe and comment down below if you want more interesting videos. Bye guys. It's so pretty. Yay.